Hello, once again from Balos Beach. Look at the color of the water. Despite being cloudy, it's still wonderful. And yeah, it is time for yet another beach adventure from Balos. This is the third episode, part 3 from Balos. And I have already taken 2 swims in the lagoon here, Balos Lagoon, of which one was actually towards the open sea, towards the island of Kramvusa. Yes, I was waiting for the sun to appear. It appeared, but then when I started the episode, it's back again, cloudy. But that's fine. We're gonna be enjoying a bit more in the water then. And it is 24th of April 2024 currently. It is 1:30 p.m. and this is how it looks like. Balos Beach on a cloudy day like this. It's marvelous. It's marvelous. And it is not crowded at all. There were some people walking by, but not so many are going in for a swim. And here we have pure sand. And if you see the previous episodes, you can see how beautiful the color of the water is when the sun is up. And in this episode you will mostly see how it is cloudy, and if the sun doesn't make an appearance during the episode. So yes, day number 5 of my beach adventures in Crete. And yeah, I'm enjoying here in Balos all day long. Let's see how many episodes I will manage to get. I also want to go around that area, because there it looks like even much more white sand there is. Yes, and here it is very shallow, so I will need to go even further in order to find a nice spot for a swim. So I just walk and walk and walk, and it is the same depth. Doesn't get any deeper than this. At the previous 2 beaches it was quite more deeper than this. You can see how the nature is here in the mountains, and how it goes down to another sandy part combined with trees. Yeah, it doesn't get any deeper. So let's see if I can manage to take a quick swim here, because it is very shallow. I can just... oh, there's 3 fish here I can see in the water, and more over there, everywhere. All right. What is this? This looks interesting. Okay, it's just for boats or something. I thought it was a creature. Yep, okay. I'm gonna take a swim here, despite being that shallow, as I don't think it gets any deeper anyway soon. So yeah, Balos Beach once again, and let's go! Woohoo! Enjoying the beautiful Balos Beach, this beautiful natural creation. Alright. Then that's a wrap from episode number 3, part 3 from Balos Beach, and make sure to tune in for more Balos Beach adventures and adventures from the rest of the world on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.